There's a Supra. A Supra. Oh my God. A fucking Supra, kid. A Supra. Bumbo clock with the Supra. Yo, JD, where you there? Yo, JD, where you there, dog? A blood clot Supra there, man. Gonna, dog. Come on, no. Yo, could the blood clot Supra? Yo, JD. Yo. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to give you a channel update. Alright, so what we're gonna do, let's get tacos. But first, since YouTube loves cold starts, that's loud. Very loud. Should quiet down any second now. See? Look at that. But anyhow, what was I gonna say? So, the update. Oh my God, it's raining. Jesus Christ. But yeah, the update. So, what I'm going to be doing, or what I'm considering doing, is starting a second channel to put race videos on. So that's not only going to be my racing videos, it's going to be a couple of my boys racing videos, and well, videos of a couple of my boys racing and stuff like that. And then they're also going to make a channel, so the channels will be going simultaneously along with the I'm Swaggy channel. And I've been considering putting racing videos on there because I don't want to really keep putting so many different types of content on there. So for that, what I'm considering is putting race videos and like event videos on there and growing that channel up as a racing and event video. And that will be all types of racing, like track, street racing, drag racing, like track meaning like autocross, because I do want to do that. And then drag racing like on the strip, like at an actual drag strip, and then street races, everything like that. Chases, highway fun, highway polls, everything like that. And then I'm Swaggy will be like the vlog type channel where I do all the car stuff. So that's looking like what I'm going to be doing. But let me know what you guys think about that. So there'll be a lot of uploads. Also, the meth kit is going to be installed tomorrow, so that video will also be going up tomorrow. Hopefully everything gets done like according to plan, so it's all done tomorrow, and then we can test it out. And then I also want to get Jonathan to drive the car. Jonathan's a mechanic from Axion Motorsports. Shout out to the bro. But yeah, I really want him to get to drive the car. So what I'm probably going to do is set it up so I go there, have him drive the car before so he can feel it out, and then have him drive the car after we do the meth kit install. And then, yeah, if we could do that, that would be cool. The only thing is that since he's the only one there, he's gonna have to like lock up the shop and everything for a little while and blah blah blah. So yeah, we'll probably make it work somehow, but that's the plan. And with the meth kit being installed, the car will run a lot better, I'm hoping. I'm pretty sure it would. I don't see why not. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Why does that side look so low? Golly. Damn, that shit look low. But it looks good. But I want to get a picture. Bow. Viral. Let me give you guys a quick taco cam. And per usual, I already ate one of them, so I apologize that you guys are not going to see it in its full glory. But Here is the grilled fish. Delectable, savory, a cornucopia of different flavors. And here's the pork. God damn. God fucking damn. If you're in the Massachusetts area, anywhere near Boston, especially down by Quincy, Baja Box is the fucking spot. And it's right by the beach, so you grab your tacos, go on the beach, enjoy it. It's wonderful. It's fucking wonderful. Maybe if you guys act right, I'll put you guys onto a couple more lit taco spots, but you know, I can't really just be dropping free game like that. So for right now, Baja Box is smack.